Woo! Man, it's not all on film. I'm self-filming today, but we got 2 down for sure, maybe a third. The gun's plumb empty. I came out here with 5 bullets and shot out walking in, called that triple in. First shot, I missed, just my excuse. I'm trying to self-film and shoot that coyote on the run. Coming in, he was in frame, so I just want to hit the trigger real quick, and you know, I messed that one up, but killed that one on the run, killed another one on the run, and then I think I killed the third one on his way out. Sorry about the footage, it's just hard with a triple in here. It's kind of tight, trying to run the camera, the rifle, the call, but I mean, we set up to call this thicket right here in front of us, and about 8 minutes in, we heard a coyote howl way off to the left. It wasn't fired up or anything, just a drawn out howl. So I actually got up, walked to the call, turned it so it was facing where those coyotes were, and I think I did a female howl, then a pair howl, then a male howl, and spaced them out about 4 minutes in between each one, and then went into a pup, and I let it play for 20 seconds, stop it for 10 seconds, play it for 20 seconds, stop it for 10 seconds. And why I do that is so they don't, hopefully they don't burn up out of here and run us over. And it worked out pretty well. We're gonna go grab these coyotes. Until we got out of this triple, and man, it was a fun hunt. Absolutely had a blast with these coyotes coming in. Self-filming made it hard, but we still got 2 down. We're gonna throw them in the truck.